Your local computer store is having a terrific sale on digital cameras. After a 40% price reduction, you purchase a digital camera for $276. What was the camera's price before the reduction? So let's start by defining our variable. This time, let's let X represent the original price of the camera. So if we were to set this up as an equation, let's start with X, and we'll go ahead and subtract 40% of X. So that's going to represent that 40% reduction. And the amount that equals ends up being $276. So that's the amount that we paid after we got some money off. Now really there's an invisible one in front of that X there. So if we think about combining these here on the left, if we think about doing 1 minus 0.4, that's going to leave us with 0.6. Another way to think about this line of the equation that makes sense is that if you think about it, 40% off is the same thing as paying 60% of the original price. So we could have actually just started here and said, well, if it's 40% off, we're paying 60%. So let's figure out what 60% of the original price is. That's equaling 276. So all we need to do here is divide both sides by 0.6. 276 divided by 0.6 ends up being 460. So the original price of the camera was $460.